We moved a month early, unexpectedly, so everything is still in boxes. We just finished our move yesterday. It is still chaos around here. Yeah, I've got a little one corner that is at least kind of sorted. I have found my laptop and the printer, so this is going to happen the old-fashioned way. I have found old garden scissors that's rusted, but they did cut all the papers. Let me just turn the camera around and then I will tell you a little bit and yeah. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I've got our jar with our little papers in here. I had 32 comments. That means actually 32 people wanted to enter the draw. But I only received 16 emails. So unfortunately, some of you guys stopped watching the video, I think a second too early. So yeah, I'm going to do the draw. We're going to draw 10 names. I'm going to announce the winners and yeah, then I will tell you a little bit more about what happened with this whole move of mine. Okay, so first things first. At least we've got more than 10 people, so it's going to be a legitimate draw. Let's see here. Oops, there. Okay, I saw my draw 2 of them. Natasha Visagi. So the first one is Natasha Visagi. Another one, should have gotten a bigger drawer. Lorena Jordan. So Lolly, Lorena Jordan, you are the second one. And I'm stuck here. Number 3. Let's see. Regina White. So you're Regina White. Congratulations. You are number 3 in a row. Okay. The Ginger's Garden. So congratulations to Ginger's Garden. You are number 4 here. I'm a little bit stuck. Okay. And then Dina Alderson. So congratulations, Dina. You are number 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 still to go here. Okay, Corey Foster. Congratulations. You are number 6. Then we have Boabab Swirls. So congratulations to Boabab Swirls. You are number 7 here. Sasha, at S. This is the interesting one that I couldn't find the subscriber because it's at S. So Sasha, congratulations. You are number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I lost count here. And we've got 2 more to go. Okay, and Nadine Nicole. Nadine Nicole. Congratulations, Nadine Nicole. You are number 9. Yeah, 9 and 1 more. Let's get one here. Okay, Stacey Shoemaker. Congratulations, Stacey Shoemaker. You are number 10. Okay, so congratulations to all of you guys. Thank you very much for entering the draw here. I will get into contact with Alan from Soapmaking Friend and ask him to upgrade you guys for a year subscription for the premium subscription. And yeah, okay, for those that wants know a little bit more, I'm going to do a video to show you where I came from and where I am at now at the moment. What have happened is I dropped a few hints that the place that we rented, they had big stores on it. It's a piece of land on a farm. So we rented the house and the yard and a few of the garages, but there were big stores in there as well that we didn't really use. So the owners came in and they said that they want to store soya in it. Now, in my mind, soya is little white beans that's dry. And then about the 3rd day, they told us, now, you know, they're going to grind this for animal feed. So still in my mind, it was little white soya beans. And I think it was on day number 5th of February. Yeah, 5th of February, the first soya arrived. So I will do a video and show you what the soya actually looks like. It is a byproduct from people that does make soya oil or soya milk or something like that. It does ferment and rot and whatever on its way to the farm, and then it is being spread open on cement uh, sheets or whatever, and then they dry it there, then they grind it. But it's flies and maggot, no, yeah, flies and maggots and what's a muggy? Midgets, something. Those small little things that creeps into your eyes and your nose and everything. So I gave them notice that I'm going to move. So we found a new place. It's a little bit smaller. It's a little bit older. But oh my goodness, it's peace and quiet here. So I did say goodbye to my last absolutely lovely sunset. And do not get me wrong, where we stayed before, it was really a blessing. It is absolutely amazing. It is beautiful. We've got the most beautiful sunset. So it's just the last 2 months of soy. Or soy byproduct, whatever you want to call the stuff, that was not so nice, but the rest of it was just absolutely amazing stay, and we were really blessed to be able to stay there. So, but this is a new season, new place. It is a game farm that we are renting a house and a yard on at the moment. I hope we're going to stay here for many years, because it is really tranquil. I think I'm just going to do a video to show you what we do have here now, but it is hunting season at the moment. It is, as I said, it's in a game farm, so we can't really move around too much with all the hunters that come and hunt here. So as soon as hunting season is over, we have the whole farm to our disposal. We can do game drives on it. We can go fishing. There's a river passing through the farm here, and yeah, it's lovely. There's lots of stuff that we have access to when there are not hunters here. So yeah. Okay, so I will do another video to give you more information on that. So congratulations to all our winners here. I will type them nicely out. I will email each one of you to tell you that you have officially won your subscription. So, but thank you for all your support. Thank you for all your just being there for me. And thank you for being patient. Sorry again for being late with this. The draw was supposed to happen in the middle of this move. We didn't have a moving company, so we had to move everything ourselves. And to move house is one thing, to move a farm is a different thing. So all my chickens are here, and yeah, the little rooster that sometimes photobomb is here as well. So Nugget is taken care of. So yeah, everybody's moved in. Okay, so you guys must keep well, keep safe, and I will see you guys in the next video again. Okay, bye.